guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Runa, and today is Foundation Friday. If you're new to my channel, every Friday I upload a new video with a new foundation review. I test out foundations, I do foundation routines, I'll do dupe battles, so it's like a whole foundation-y type of day. If you are into stuff like that and you want to join Foundation Friday, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on the notifications, and comment down below as well requesting any new foundations that you guys want me to try out, because it's important for me to listen to you guys, and that's how this community works. So today the foundation that I'm going to be trying out is this Aqua Assurance foundation from JCat. This is a drugstore foundation, and I have seen a lot of people try this foundation out. So when I saw it come on to ultabeauty.com, which is where I purchased this, the link will be down below for you guys. I was like, I need to try this out. I typically don't really use powder foundation ever because I feel like I have dry skin, so it's really hard for me to use powder foundation because it just is a hot mess on dry skin. It leaves patchy, does a lot of crazy things. So when I saw even people with a dry skin saying that this was good, I was like, I really need to try this out. Let's go into some details of this foundation. This is Aqua Assurance Compact Foundation. It's made by JCat. It's $13.99, and I checked, if you go onto Ulta Beauty and you use their $3.50 coupon, you can get $3.50 off of this, so it becomes like a $10 foundation. So that is really cool. The only negative thing that I will say about this foundation is that it is only 13 colors, which is very disappointing because 13 colors, like, who really, for the whole billions of people in the world, 13 colors is just not enough. I hope JCat ups their game in these colors. I find it very frustrating to see that even in drugstore, it is still very hard to find your skin tone in a lot of these cheaper variations of foundations. So, I mean, if you're gonna make foundation, you might as well make it for a lot of, you know, a lot of skin tones and stuff like that. I don't know where they came up and they were like, we're just gonna make 13 foundation colors. So I definitely hope they expand their shade range, because it's just smart to do in 2019. Color that I got, you guys, I got Honey, which is basically what I go for, and I feel like it matches me pretty good. So the foundation is being marketed as being hydrating and weightless. It's finely milled, luxurious, and silky, and yes, it does feel very silky. It claims to not be cakey, it's oil absorbing, and full coverage as well. It also has a water lock technology that helps retain water in the foundation as well, whatever that means. And it also has chamomile, which is, we all know, anti-inflammatory, and it helps calm any type of skin down. And this also has chlorella, which is beneficial for the skin because it helps with collagen buildup. I've noticed there's a extreme trend in foundation right now. All foundation has good stuff in it. It's supposed to be good for your skin. So gone are the myths that foundation is not good for your skin. So I really like that progress towards foundation being good for your skin, or creating the skincare makeup, which I'm really into nowadays. At the same time, I just wish shade ranges were expanded as well. Okay guys, let's go ahead and try this foundation on. Don't forget to like the video. Let's go. Since this Aqua Assurance foundation is more of a powder base, I'm going to use a brush, and I'm going to skip the beauty blender part because I just feel like, ooh, look at that. Goes on pretty patchy. This is a shade Honey. Ooh. Okay, let me go in with, so I'm going to probably go in with a kabuki brush. And I'm going to skip that intense brush right there. Oh. So definitely you can use a kabuki brush. This is more of a powder base foundation. And it's going on pretty nice. So far, wow. Ooh. This is a nice foundation. It reminds me of Studio Fix a lot. I'm just using the mirror from Studio Fix. I'm not using the foundation. But this foundation definitely has a Studio Fix vibe to it. I definitely need to do a comparison with these two. I've not worn a powder foundation in forever time, you guys. And I really like this. Look at that. That's really pretty. I went ahead and did my concealer ahead of time. So before I applied any of this on, I went and concealed. Because I just feel like, because it's a powder foundation, like you can't conceal afterwards. So I went ahead and concealed. I mean, it looks really nice. So I'm just gonna go in with a damp beauty blender and kind of like press this into my skin and see how it works. I mean, it goes on really nice. I'm not like, but it's funny because I have my iPhone camera going on down here and it's not looking as good on the iPhone camera, but in this camera view, which my screen's over here, it looks really nice. It's really hard for me to tell if I like this or not. I'm still a little indifferent by it. Feels really, really dry, and I was expecting it to feel dry because I do have dry skin and I don't wear powder foundation for that reason, because I have really dry skin. Only powder foundation that I really own is this Studio Fix, and I usually use this to like blend stuff out. But I do want to do a comparison with the JCat Aqua Assurance with the Studio Fix. I want to see which one's better because this has very similar vibes as this one. So I'm going to compare these two. Comment down below if you guys want to see that video, but I think it would be a really good comparison video. I'm going to go ahead and spray my face with some Versali Rose Gold Skin Mist because let me tell you guys, when you wear powder foundation and you got dry skin, it's definitely needed. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my face, and then once I'm done with the rest of my face, I will give you guys my final verdict on this foundation and how I feel about this compact foundation. It's been ages since I've worn any type of compact foundation, so I shall be right back. So for a powder foundation, I feel like this works really good. I'm gonna go ahead and wear it for the rest of the day, and then I'll give you guys my final verdict and tell you if I think it's great or if it's not so great. I will let you guys know. So yeah, let's go wear it for the rest of the day. Hey guys, so I just want to show you guys this JCat compact foundation in the, you know, the sunlight, natural light, because that's where you know what a foundation really does in the natural light. So I'm here, and guys, if you look at my skin, it actually looks really good. It is caking up just a little bit over here, but overall this is looking pretty fire. I'm actually really liking this. And for a powder foundation on me, looking good is pretty shocking, but I'm liking it so far. I'm gonna give you guys a little selfie here, how it looks under selfie, no filters whatsoever, and you guys can be the verdict on this foundation. But so far, it's going good. It is officially the end of the night. It's like 11. Your girl needs to go to bed. I've already took off my lashes because I am officially done. But if you guys look at this powder, it actually looks really good. It's gone into my skin already. It did fade a little bit, and it did wear off a little bit. I don't think the lasting power of this foundation is that great. I do think it's a great powder foundation, especially if you even have oily skin, or even if you have dry skin, it's a great powder foundation. It's definitely great for people who like that minimal makeup look and they're not really looking for the cakey vibe. So this foundation is great for you. However, someone like me, I prefer a little bit more coverage and a little bit more lasting power. And I would really like if nothing creased so much as this does over here. This foundation is going to get a 3. It's not horrible, right in the middle, so I'm going to give it a 3. It is $13.99, so it is pretty good for being $13.99. It's just not my preference of finish, but if you are someone who prefers a much more like subtle vibe and more natural vibe, this is definitely the foundation for you. As you can see, it doesn't look horrible. It looks good. The only thing I would say is like a lot of creasing did happen, so it doesn't go on as smooth as like a regular foundation does. It is a powder foundation, so you're gonna come up with a lot of like creasing with a powder foundation, I feel like. So yeah, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this foundation review. If you want to see more foundation reviews, if you want to join the Foundation Friday team, then subscribe to this channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. If you have any requests, comment down below, and all the details and my shade matching and anything else I have to say that I forgot to include in this video, I will definitely include that in the details section. So check that out. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!